Hello everyone. Today, we're going to discuss the best growth foods for kids. As they grow, their bodies require specific nutrients to develop and reach their full potential. These foods, rich in essential vitamins and minerals, play a crucial role in their physical and mental well-being. First on our list is iron. This vital mineral is essential for creating red blood cells and supporting a strong immune system. Foods like beef, chicken, lamb, fish, eggs, spinach, and fortified cereals are excellent sources of iron for kids. Next up is vitamin D. This essential fat-soluble vitamin helps to regulate calcium and phosphate levels in the body, ensuring strong bones and teeth. Kids need vitamin D from both sunlight exposure and dietary sources like fatty fish, eggs, and fortified cereals. Another essential nutrient is calcium. This mineral plays a key role in muscle function, nerve communication, and bone growth. Good sources of calcium for kids include milk, dairy products, calcium-fortified cereals, and leafy greens like spinach and kale. To ensure a balanced diet, it's also important to include healthy fats like omega-3 fatty acids. These can be found in fish like salmon, sardines, and mackerel, as well as avocados, nuts, and seeds. Omega-3s support brain development, heart health, and a healthy immune system. Lastly, kids need protein to build and repair body tissues. Good sources of protein include lean meats, poultry, fish, legumes, and dairy products. It's important to encourage kids to eat a variety of these foods to get all the essential nutrients they need. In conclusion, a balanced and nutritious diet is crucial for supporting a child's growth and development. Make sure to include these best growth foods in your child's diet to help them reach their full potential.